Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you fix Netflix black screen Discord. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Chrome or any browser. And once you're inside, all you gotta do is click on this three dot icon and then click on settings. And once you're inside here, on the search bar, simply type in acceleration. And here you'll find this option, use hardware acceleration when available. Simply turn this off and then tap on relaunch. And once you do that, your issue should be fixed. And now for some cases, if that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just simply open up your Discord app. And now on settings, scroll down and then tap on voice and video. And here you should be seeing these two options, that is 264 video codec provided by Cisco Systems Inc. Just toggle this off. That doesn't work, then toggle this option that says use our latest technology to capture your screen, and then restart your PC and then try again and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.